Hello students, welcome to Cynohub. I am Avinash. Today I am discussing the topic about operating system. So what is an operating system means? Let us take a real example here. If you want to touch any device, if you want to check any hard disk, if you want to check any motherboard, if you want to check your speakers, we can't touch directly because CPU cabinet is totally closed. And if you, how we can check that with your hard disk space, how you can check your RAM space, how you can run the program. So you need in one interface here. That means if you want to communicate within components of an hardware, if you want to communicate within system, there is one interface is needed. What is that interface is nothing but an operating system. So what is the definition of an operating system is interface between the user and the system. Okay, system components, if you want to communicate with the system components, you need in one interface. That interface name is nothing but an operating system. Today I want to discuss the topic about real-time systems here. What is a real-time system? See here, what is a real-time system? Real-time systems are, suppose I'm giving one task. Suppose I was giving the task means, let us take an OTP. Okay, let us giving one example, OTP. OTP is there. There is one time is rotating there, then the time is incrementing the value. They are giving only time of 1 minute. Okay, within 1 minute you have to enter the OTP. If you're not entering the within 1 minute, then automatically showing that your session is expired. That is called in real time. Within the specific time you have to complete the work. Within the specific time you have to complete the work. That is comes under real time systems. So let us go to the definition. Real time system is a speedy computer set up for specific task. That means task is nothing but complete the work. Okay, complete the work for a given time. Okay, that must be done within strict limits. What the strict time limits here? I'm giving the time only for 1 minute. Within 1 minute you have to complete the work. If you not complete the task within 1 minute, then automatically the page will be dislaunched and the page will be closed. This is called an real-time system. Now the question is real-time embedded system. And what is an embedded system? First of all you have to understand. So up to now I'm saying about the real-time systems only. Real-time systems are two types, that is soft real-time and hard real-time. So what are the difference between these two? I will explain in the next slide. But what is a real-time system means, for your system you are giving some time constraint. Within the time constraint, if you not complete your task, then automatically the system will close. Okay, that is called a real-time system. Now what is an embedded system? Embedded system is nothing but embedded systems are like a specialized computer helpers. So embedded system is not a direct chip and it is not a direct communication device. They are made by a mixing computer part and software for a particular job. So let us take an example of watch. Let us take an example of smartwatch. So smartwatch, there is an embedded chip is there. So it is absorbing your heartbeat, right? So there is a software is also there, right? Let us take your automatic car. So automatic car also there is a sensors are there. With that embedded system, you can communicate with the software also. Software and with the help of the software, I can communicate with an embedded system. So they are not like in regular computers, more like task focused sidekicks. That means just if you're pressing any button in your remote, then automatically the channel will rotate. That means that is called an embedded. So let us take a washing machine. Washing machine is also having the embedded chip. That means setting the time. Okay, embedded means it is a small software here. It is not directly software. It is included in the software. Okay, that is called an embedded system. Embedded system means it is like a chip. It is combining with the software and it is performing some specific task. What are the instructions given by the user? Okay. So what are the embedded systems are there? Embedded systems are two types. One is hard embedded real-time system and next one is soft embedded real-time system. Remember one point here. So hard and soft both are depending on the time. So the difference between these two is, if you are not performing the particular task in the hard embedded real-time system, what will happen, Let us take an example of car. So if you take an example of car, so if you're driving a car, suppose one accident is happened. Then some of the cars having the feature called one balloons will come. Okay, automatically air balloons are there. Suppose that accident is happened, if the air balloons are not opened at the particular time when the accident is happened, then automatically the person will die. right? Here the real-time system is main scenario. You have to remember the students, because if you drive in the car, if the accident has happened after the person death, if the balloons, air balloons are opened, then there is no use, right? So hard real-time embedded system means the embedded system must be particular task. If there's something, the action will happen. Okay. If it is not open at the particular time, then automatically the patient is going in the form of, the person is going in the form of death. Okay, then there is no use. So hard real time is totally strict within time. If you not perform the task particular time, then automatically the system will going in a failure state. Okay, please remember this one. And next one, soft real time embedded system. It is not a problem here. Soft real time embedded system is not a problem with the time. Suppose if you not perform the task with a particular time, it is not a biggest problem here. Let us take an example. If you're seeing the one movie, okay, the picture is, the words are coming, the audio is coming late and the video is moving forward, then there is some adjustment of 2 minutes of late. That is not the biggest problem here. Okay, somewhat the who are watching the movie, they are saying that this is a disgusting. Okay, but the soft real time embedded system means it is not a biggest problem within time, but the hard real time system means it is a biggest problem within time. If you not open that air balloons within a particular time, the person will be going in the form of death state. Okay, in the soft real time system, like if you are not playing the audio in a proper time, otherwise my video is not coming in the proper direction, otherwise capturing the video, taking the time, it is not a biggest RAM here. But the hard real time is a biggest RAM if you are not working with a particular time constraint. Okay. See here, hard real-time system. These are the embedded real-time system which are used to perform the hard real-time tasks. These systems are designed in a very complicated way. Why it is a complicated? If it is not done in a particular time, otherwise the patient will go, person is going in the form of death. Okay, everything must work properly. Suppose if you click on the automatic gear is there. Automatic gear, if it not function properly, that means depending on the speed, it will change in the gears. Okay. With the person in the brake mode, if it is going in the form of gear number 5, automatically the car will be going in the form of disturbed mode. The total of the car will be in the form of smash mode. Right? So depending on the speed of the car, automatically gear will be changing its gear. Right? So if with the speed of the car is in the form of idle state, the gear is in the form of 5th gear, then automatically the car will not be work properly. Right? That is comes under the hard real-time embedded system. What is soft embedded real-time system? Soft embedded real-time system means used to perform some soft real-time tasks. These are simply designed system. Why it is simply designed? Suppose if the system is not working, suppose you've taken the picture, it is taking time for 2 seconds or 3 seconds. It is not a crime here, right? Suppose you're opening a game, the game is not working properly. It is showing the slow down the process. It is slow down the game. It is not the biggest problem. You can increase the RAM. So software real-time systems are compared to the hard real-time systems. Software real-time systems are having that less amount of accuracy and less amount of lifespan. It is not a problem, but the hard real-time systems comes under the lifetime problems are happening. So this is the topic about the real-time systems and real-time embedded systems. Real-time systems are different, embedded systems are different here. Real-time systems are hard real-time and soft real-time. Hard real-time means related to the hardware components and it is depending on the time constraint. Soft real-time comes under the like volume increasing and volume decreasing or capturing the photos. Embedded systems are comes under embedded chip is inserting in the software. Depending on the communication of the software, then only it performs the specific task. So hard embedded systems are very dangerous if you are not done the a task within a particular time. Example is accident within air balloons. And soft embedded systems are like a remote control. If you're pressing if you're not done the capturing of photos in a particular time, then it is not a biggest crime here. So hope you understand in the class of real-time embedded system and real-time system what is an operating system. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.